I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey love bugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by YGwigs. Shout out to you YGwigs for sending me this unit. Right here I'm showing you guys what all came in the packaging, and now we are getting to the wig. Now in the video later on I'm going to say that this unit had 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, I think. But it actually, as you guys can see, does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. And this unit does have one of those silk child, get it together, silk base things in it, and I'm gonna talk more about that later on in the outro portion of this video. If you are interested in more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, I will talk about that in the outro. So if you're interested, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye.
Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me.
Okay y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay y'all, so this unit was sent to me by YGwigs. Shout out to you YGwigs for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Now let me go ahead and give you guys the specs, the details, all that good stuff about this unit. Give me a minute, honey. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys, tell you guys a little bit about the wig just from the email that they recently sent me, and this is mainly about the silk base lace front thing. So this is 13 by 4 silk base lace front wig. They really wanted me to show you guys like what that looked like. So this is the silk base just in this general area. I hope you guys can see it. It goes over, and I'll just probably insert a clip at some point so you guys can see what it looks like underneath, so you can see what that silk base looks like. And now I'm gonna go to the actual the link on the site so I can give you guys more details and stuff. Okay honey, so I can't find the wig on the site anywhere. Like, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure they're going to be sending me a direct link, so check the description box. But I'm going to give you guys the details and stuff that I have right here on this bag. It says 13 by 4 silk base lace wig, 12 inches, natural color, and is 150% density. Okay, so we're gonna get into why I gave you guys that look at the 12 inches, but if you watch me, you already know why I gave you that look, and you probably already know just by looking at this bob on me, but we will get into that later. Now, like I said, this is a silk base closure wig. It is a straight wig, as you guys can tell. As far as shedding and tangling, like non-existent, like it's really like you know, like no tangles, but it's not a whole lot of hair, so I didn't expect it, and it's a straight wig. I don't typically, y'all know what I hate about this is that when you have big eyelashes like I wear, you be looking like this, you know. I don't like that. But anyways, as far as shedding and tangling, there's none with this wig. This unit does come with, I want to say 3 combs total, 2 in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps, and that's pretty much all I can think of with this wig. Now, do I feel like it's big head friendly? And I don't even know if you can, let me just go on there and see if they offer like small, mediums, and larges and all that good stuff. So it looks like they offer smalls and mediums. So I feel like this is a medium and that it is definitely big head friendly, so you can just get this, and if you got a guava head, honey, you'll be able to still fit it. Okay, so that's how I feel. And if you have a really small head, I was just getting a smaller cap, because these days my head is smaller and I feel like my head is kind of swimming in this wig. Like I have excess right here. So I would say if you have a smaller head, to definitely get a smaller cap size. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So this is the entire length of the wig. So obviously I don't have to stand up, honey, because this is it. No Michael Jackson. Now we can get into how I feel about this wig. Okay, so if you watch me, you already know what my issue is with this unit. You already know, girl. Okay, I have a very short neck. A very short neck, and because I have a short neck, 12 inches is not a bob on me. Okay, it's not a bob on me. It becomes an everyday regular type wig. It doesn't look like a bob. It doesn't resemble a bob. Like, that is an issue for me. Okay, so I will have to cut this wig. I couldn't cut it because the company asked me to leave it in its natural state. This is its natural state, honey. Okay, it is not a bob on me. It's supposed to be a bob, but it's not a bob on me. Let me see. They do offer a 10-inch, and even a 10-inch is kind of a longer bob on somebody that doesn't have a very long neck. Okay, I'm not a tall woman. My neck is not long. 12 inches is long on me. Yeah. So because of that, I can't say what it would look like as a bob. Like, I don't know, girl. I don't know. Is the hair decent and all that good stuff? Yes, I do think that the hair is nice. I think it flows good. It's just not my cup of tea because it's not a bob for me. It's not a bob. It's supposed to be a bob. It looked like a bob on the mannequin. It does not look like a bob on me. Like, I'll insert the picture that I chose, like what made me. They gave me 3 options, and I'll let you guys see why I chose this particular wig. And yeah, it doesn't look like that on me because I have no neck. So all of this hair is just laying on me. You see that? It's just laying when a bob is supposed to be here. And this is an asymmetrical bob. I would say this side is more 10 inches, but even that, as you guys can see, is longer on me. And because of that, the wig, it just doesn't give you the look that it's supposed to give because it's too long. And like I said, I did ask the company if I would be able to cut the wig. They said leave it in its natural state. Now, will I probably cut it at some point? I probably will. I will not be doing a video on that. I will not be doing a video on that, but if I am to keep this wig, I will have to cut it because I cannot wear it like this. This is really aggravating to me, if you cannot tell. But yeah, it's supposed to be a bob. But I will say this, honey, know you, okay? Everything that looks good on somebody else is not necessarily gonna look good on you. If you are a taller person, honey, this bob is gonna be hidden where you need her to hit. If you have a more elongated neck, it's gonna hit where you need to hit. But if you're like me, know you, honey, okay? And I know me. I know that a long bob is not where it's at because it stops being a bob and it becomes something else. And yeah, I don't know. You know, when you're growing your hair and you hit that awkward stage, when you're growing your hair back and you're at that awkward stage and you don't know what to do with it, that's what this looks like on me. Like something that's at an awkward stage. And yeah, I will have to cut it to get it. I would probably actually have to cut about this much of this hair to get it to be, you know, a bob. So yeah. As I stated though, is the wig nice in itself? Yes, I do think it's a nice wig. I just don't like the length. The length is not for me. I know me. Y'all know me. Like, if I got on here and I said, oh my God, it's so nice, and y'all have heard me multiple times say, I can't do long bobs. I don't like long bobs, blah, 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 blah. I have to cut them, blah, blah, blah. If you are used to hearing me say that and I get on here and tell you guys, oh, it's nice, I love it, you know I'm lying. And I'm not finna lie to y'all. Like, yeah, this is not where it's at for me. It would be nice on somebody that's taller with a more elongated neck, but for me, for my height, for my neck, this is not where it's at. So yeah, that's that on that. Now, as far as the silk base, yeah, it's cool. It's cool. Like, yeah, it's cool. I don't know. Like, I feel like silk bases, like, it depends on the person. I'm not against them, but they're not something that I necessarily look for. It's nice. it's nice. But yeah, like I said, it's not something that I would necessarily say, oh my god, I have to have a silk base lace closure, or I mean a silk base wig. But it is nice to have, like, it's, you know, it's already done for you. Yeah, so yeah, that's how I feel about it. It wasn't a rant. It has nothing to do with the wig. It has to do with my personal taste, and you need to always have something that fits you. Okay, you, not how it looks on somebody else. You, girl, you. Okay, because you're wearing it, not somebody else. We're all different. Different things look different on different people. You know, something that looks good on me may or may not look good on you. This bob might actually be a bob on you. On me, I'm at an awkward stage of growing my hair back. So yeah, and like I said, I will be cutting it and, you know, getting it to how I feel like, you know, getting it to where it will look good on me. And you guys see me do that with a lot of bobs, because some reason companies just want you to have the longest. I don't know why, but that's what they want to do. Don't do that, girl. Get what fits you. Okay, get what fits you, what fits your face, what fits your body, all of that good stuff. Get what fits you. This does not fit me because I don't have the neck for it. I just don't. So yeah, that's where I'm at on that. Nice hair, doesn't fit me. Nice hair. So yeah, let me go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. And once again, this is an asymmetrical bob, so it is meant, and like I said, I'll have a picture here so you guys can see what it looks like on the mannequin. I feel like because it's so long on me that you guys can't get the full feel of what the wig is supposed to look like. So like I said, I'll be inserting those pictures so you can see what the wig is supposed to look like. Granted, it doesn't look like that on me, but that's the look that it's supposed to have. Okay, so I will let you guys see that just so you'll know, because I feel like looking at it on me, you have no idea what this wig is supposed to be. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna that's pretty much it. Now granted, if you are interested in this wig, because the wig in itself, like I stated, is a nice wig, it just doesn't fit me, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye. Thanks, boo. That's my little co-host. All right, y'all. Bye.